talk to us. Shut the store down, can't shop with us. Germans got wings, niggas move like birds, but they still couldn't never come flock with us. Like Philly niggas can't come rock with us. Niggas hurt cause they see money stalking us. I'ma push my whole team through the end zone. They can try to stop us, but there ain't no topping us. And I peeped your bitch from across the room. No, she can't wait till I undress her. 7500 in the messenger. Can't move around with none less. 1700 got a rap for my gang. In my city, I'm a certified stepper. I was gone, now I'm back and I'm better. Oh, bitch still standing while I left her. Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Ain't gon' lie, but you got me in the mood right now. Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby. 20 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, bossed up, new swag, new bag, don't care what it cost us. Old nigga hate cause I'm getting this money. I can tell that he mad cause he washed up. 20 bands, 50 bands.
Alright, what's up? What's up, Nexus? I'm with Dak and Alex. Say what's up, guys.
What up?
What's up, guys?
I think we all pretty much have the same levels right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Did one of you share your screen at all? Dak, did you?
What?
I did.
Okay, Alex did. Alright, I'm gonna switch to that. I'm gonna get it pulled up. Alright, if you want to go over your levels real quick. Because I posted mine in the Discord. Yeah. Alex, you want to go over your idea?
You're muted.
I know the audio. I'm about to fix it. I just saw that. I was trying to watch my shit. Hold on.
I was looking at USDT, which had a pure tree. I was looking at Total, which had a pure tree. And I was looking at stable coins that had a pure tree. This is why I even had the worst entry, because I was waiting for all these charts to break structure and close those above the main swing, like the last swing, to break structure back into the range. This is when I entered the trade. I entered with 3 risk, took profit only when USDT took the full liquidity to the upside. This is where I took like my first TP and I held the rest because I knew we don't have anything on USDT. We didn't distribute before. This is basically just structure going down liquidity. When we have an accumulation, we are aiming for this. So this was the easiest trade I had and the best trade I had like in weeks. This was like the easiest thing you could have looked for. If you understand, this is all the informations that I shared here are in the course. If you're watching that, you should know how to take this trade. Just as simple as that. So yeah, that's about it. And now I guess we could form like a bigger range here. We can take the low and we can start accumulating again. We could go fill the week. We are going to see what happens, but I'm out of the trade. I made like 10R on this trade because I took like more risk. I'm good.
Dude, Alex, that was such a good explanation, and 90% of it was so quiet because I had the audio messed up. I fixed it though.
Wait, you couldn't hear me?
It's like you're so quiet, bro. Like they could hear you through my headphones because I didn't have anything recording the audio because I just added the Discord window this morning. I didn't put the voice stuff in the scene, but we're good now.
Wow,
Good.
that was lovely.
Oh yeah.
Should I go tweet again?
I don't know. They kind of heard it, but
Well, I hope they did because this was like a really good trade.
yeah,
This is exactly the trades that you need. Like you can take one of these a couple like days. You're going to find a trade like this once every 3, 4, 5 days, and you're good.
Yeah,
you don't need more than
it
that.
only takes one. It only takes one Nexus trade for you to print money.
Yeah.
Yeah, by the way, sorry if I'm quiet. I'm just eating lunch. I haven't had anything since like 10 a.m.
Alex, if you maybe want to go over like just the first part, the first little bit about the range.
So is the audio good now? Because I can go over it again. Because I wanna like.
Yeah, you're.
I will cut it after, and I wanna post it in the Nexus. So I'll just go over it. Okay, so basically, again, we had the accumulation before. I took this trade. It was the first range we had after the huge week down. This was like a very easy trade. We got the accumulation, move up. Now, before we even got this trade, we had the perfect distribution, model 1, that we shared in the Nexus. We all took it. And we got a move down. We achieved the technical target for the distribution. But then again, you didn't have good return to zone to go lower. You didn't have liquidity. You didn't have anything. So we went down. We broke structure. This is not the BOS that you needed. You needed to break the range low structure. This is the real BOS, but this was just a swing that I was looking for to confirm my idea. When we broke structure, we can start pulling the range from the swing low to swing high. So basically, this is initial range low, initial range high, and then we are just building liquidity with every tap until we went and took that high. So basically, this is your range now. Instead of looking for the entire range, how everybody did, because I saw a lot of people looking for this, like for the big range, and that could have happened. I'm not saying it's wrong, but it didn't have to. You didn't have to go take that high again. And why is that? Because we had market maker supply. So what does that mean? We are looking for institutional involvement, which means when we have a distribution this clean, you know for sure somebody's home. So when we leave only the only supply, the only order block that's being induced 3 times without being tapped, you know something is up. So we have people here. We have market makers involved. We tap it, we create the second tap of the range, and when we take this liquidity with this week over here, this is your third tap for the Model Q distribution. Now, this is why we didn't need to take that high, because we tapped the supply, the last supply. When you break structure into this range, this is when you can enter the trade. Now, I didn't enter right there because I wanted more confluence. This is why I took a trade with 3% risk instead of 1. I was looking at USDT having a pure 3, Total having a pure 3, stablecoin having a pure 3, and I waited for all 3 of them to break structure and close candles above their main swing to confirm the move up before I pulled the trigger. When I got the alerts on all 3 of them, this is when I entered the trade on Bitcoin. Stop loss, I didn't even use the stop loss above this high. I literally had my stop right on this wick here. I didn't want the price to get even near it, so I was confident in having it there. Full take profit when USDT, not TP1, when USDT took full liquidity, and then I held the rest for the low. I took full profit now onto the this demand, and I got like 10 risk to rewards on it because I risked like 3% on the trade. This is all you need to make money. You don't need to take any Mickey Mouse trades. You don't need more than that. You need one good trade, a couple of days, and this is it.
Yeah, you really
Just
only
as
need
easy
one
as that.
Nexus. One Nexus trade, that's all you need.
And the best part about it is that everything that I shared on this chart is what you learned in the Nexus. You just have to go over the course, you have to watch the live streams, you have to practice, and all the information is there. I didn't use anything new, anything that it's not in the Nexus. This is all that we trade. This is what we trade. This is what we preach. That's how we do it.
100%.
As easy as that.
And like Gio said in the chat, you could have also looked for his million alerts that he spams in the Discord.
Yeah.
I feel like every second of the day I'm getting a Geo alert.
I mean, this is why I didn't even post the trade, because he already posted it like 5 times while it was developing,
Yeah.
But I wanted to explain how I looked at it, like my thought process, because I was very confident in this trade, It's like it's one of my best trades when it comes to confidence. This is why I even took it with really big risk.
Yeah, and whenever you have all that confidence, you can up your position size, maybe increase your risk a little bit and then roll with it.
I had the confluence. It's not only the confluence on one chart, it's the confluence on 4 charts saying the same thing. So this is when you can risk a little bit more.
Yeah.
When everything else says the same thing, is the same story. Because you don't need to know only the page. You need to understand the whole chapter.
Yeah. And that's such a textbook trade. It's literally like straight out of the course, pretty much. It doesn't really get much more textbook than that.
It doesn't. This is all you need. And it was really good because I saw a lot of people missing this supply over here, and everybody was waiting for the high. And normally, when I started, I would have done the same thing. I don't think I would have entered this trade, especially with big risk, if I didn't know all the things that I know now.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why I'm saying that practice really helps, and it gives you confidence to take trades like this.
Yeah, that's a banger trade. Do you want to switch over to NQ real quick and kind of go over what we were talking about this morning? The 2 scenarios.
Oh yeah, well, I was looking at this range over here, like these are the levels that I was watching, and honestly, we tapped the 50% of this move. So this is basically a range. This is like a textbook range. So I do think we are going to go lower. You could also have this as a distribution if you really wanted to look at it, because this is like, you can use this as a model 1 distribution. So what I think it will happen, or like I hope it will happen, is for us to go take this low, have a 50-minute flip in here, and we would leave like some demand, and then like when you're tapped into the demand, this is the trade you take, and this is like that would be a really good trade on NQ because like the moves are so nice and you move a lot faster. So if that happens and you have confluence with time, and if it happens on New York, this is like a really good trade. We take the low, we break structure on like 15 minutes or like on a 30-minute structure. We leave behind some extreme demand. When we go back and tap it, this is your trade. And you just take it to the high. You can even take it to the range high. You can TP faster like on the swing high and then like keep the rest for the rest of the day.
Yeah, and that would be ideal.
Yeah, and it doesn't even need to do that. It can also react from this demand, like do the same thing but from the demand. But I would feel like it would be better if you had an accumulation because you can hold it for like all-time highs again. And maybe you get like one of those big moves that you sometimes get, like
Yeah,
get
I
a
agree.
one big white candle back up to the range high.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for right now. And that's what I posted in the Discord, all these levels.
And this was also a very good trade to take. We didn't really have confirmations on it, but like futures is like a bit different. You're not going to get always the perfect confirmations, but this was like I think in this scenario I would have done this. I would have counted the structure from this high because we tapped into supply, and this would have been like the trade that I would take. Like I would take this to the range low. Probably I would TP around here like to risk because this was like the liquidity swing, and I would keep the rest. This is something like I would do.
Yeah, and I was watching that, but it was like at a weird time. Whenever we were at that level,
Well,
we didn't
yeah,
end up
this
taking
is why
it.
I'm saying that you need session confluence when you trade futures. I don't know if I would enter like at this time because it's like 5 a.m. for me. But yeah, if this would happen, like if you get this and then you leave behind demand and you enter this on the market open or like New York, I feel like that's a good trade.
Yeah, that'd be fire. I kind of wish I would have taken that short because I was thinking about it, but I think I was in the middle of doing something, so I didn't take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dak, you around? You still eating?
Yeah, I'm just sitting. What's up?
Have you taken any trades today?
I took a break even on gold.
You traded gold again? Thought you
It
were
was a
done with that.
perfect. It
Thought
was
you
a
were done.
perfect 50% retracement. I looked so good. I
Yesterday he's
couldn't
telling
not
me
take it.
never again. I'm never touching gold again. Fuck gold. The
Listen.
next
Fuck
day he's
gold.
trading it.
Fuck gold, but it's not defeating me. No way, bro. You gotta humble this hoe.
You're crazy.
But yeah, no, I just only took the break even. I'm waiting. Actually, I'm waiting for confirmation on ES. There's a 30-minute order block at the low when we fill the weekend gap, and I'm just waiting for that to get tapped with a accumulation model, and I'm gonna take the trade probably. And we'll wait for New York Open as well because we're close.
I think once in about an hour or so we'll probably start getting some more movement and then hopefully head down towards that gap and into that demand zone. So I feel like if we can get a move down there right before New York Open, I feel like longing that on New York Open wouldn't be a bad idea.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I'm looking for.
Oh, has NQ not filled the gap? I haven't looked at NQ at all.
No.
No, I
NQ.
didn't yet.
Okay, yeah, we might go back down then. ES can still take the low.
Yeah.
Yes, it's not looking bad because like we closed the gap and we tapped into demand.
Well, we closed it, but we left a tiny little bit at the bottom.
You didn't tap it fully?
Wait, I'll show you mine.
We closed the gap and we tapped into demand.
Look at the chart. See that tiny little gap down there?
Oh yeah. Then that would be confluence for NQ to close it.
Yeah. I think for both indexes we have about the same idea.
Yeah. Yeah, everything.
I mean, they look the same.
Pretty similar.
Consensus is look for long on New York Open.
I'm hoping that we can kind of start clipping on the 4 hour. Because if we start clipping on 4 hour NQ and then we're in that like demand zone and I can catch something on the 5 minute, I'm gonna hold that bitch for $3,000.
Hold it for like 2,900
Yeah.
just to be safe on the consistency rule.
Yeah. Like right under $3,000.
I mean, even if you make 2, you're still good.
Yeah. I literally only need 2 more trades. I'll be chilling.
How much do you need to get funded?
I need like 2,500 right now, so I need 3,500.
Oh, but
So
yeah, so like
2
2 more
trades.
days if you take good trades.
Then we'll be on that 100K.
Oh yeah.
I'll look at ES. It's all pretty similar, what we're looking at, so. Dude,
ES
those-
just filled more the gap. It's about the same.
Yeah. Those short zones, I should have shorted that, bro. I should have dropped what I was doing.
Bro, Alex, your chart is so clean. What the fuck? Can you send me your color?
Yeah, sure.
I want to change my top step chart.
It's like, wait, how do I do that?
I send the just screenshot the background colors and then screenshot the order block colors.
Yeah, the order block color is what I like.
Can you send the short long tool colors as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've kind of started getting bored of the ICT colors. I want to change.
Dude, I can't believe I'm an idiot. Alex, you're literally explaining like the best fucking perfect trade. Like explaining it so good, bro, and I didn't even have the audio set up, and because I literally right before I hit go live, I added the Discord scene to be able to record your chart, but I didn't put in the music or the voice
Audio.
source to be able to record it because I'm a dumbass.
It was good the second time, right?
Yeah. Second time was good.
Imagine if you did it twice and it was still bad.
Hey, Dak, you know me and my history with audio, bro.
Oh my days. I'm fucking full. Yeah. We can focus on trading now.
Oh, now my headphones want to play the music through my headphones. This whole time I haven't been able to hear it. It just randomly started playing again.
Bro, I swear, Apple Music on PC sometimes,
It's glitchy, bro.
yeah, it bugs out so much. Like I remember that one time I was trying to play a specific song and it would just cycle through like 10 songs and play a random one. I'm like, what the fuck is it doing?
Yeah.
It's good on the phone though.
Well, whenever like you're in a playlist, sometimes the song will like glitch and like skip a song, but it'll keep showing that song's playing. It's weird. I'm curious to see what happens today.
Someone said gold is the girl that will take your money, manipulate you, and ruin your life.
Bro, I cannot wait to start trading futures as well. I'm so excited.
Bro, that's gonna be fire.
Yeah, I wanted to start like this Monday, but like I'm not gonna be able to trade. And then I realized when Duck told me that I should wait, that if I'm not gonna trade this week, I'll just lose the week for no reason.
Yeah.
So I'm just
Yeah.
gonna wait till I'm free.
Yeah, I'll just start next week if you're not trading this week.
Alex, are you gonna pick something specific like how I picked ES and Z picked?
I'll trade both, bro. Like I will try to get used to gold, but like I have no idea how it's gonna work out, so I'm not gonna try to. I'm not gonna try
mean,
to say that
we
I will
both-
do
we
gold,
both trade
because
both
if it's
anyways.
not gonna work out, yeah.
You're going for
I'll
the
trade
wild
both.
horse, huh?
Bro, I like the way it moves, but again, I don't know how I will do that. And if I'm gonna be like good, then yeah. But if not, I'll just trade both ES and NQ.
Are you backtesting gold?
I'm backtesting all three of them, yes.
Yeah.
Bro, I wish Top Step had
Bro, I
catfish.
can't believe the
I
short
wanna trade
You know
setup
what
catfish, bro.
Do you know
that
what
we
I'm
had
struggling with?
yesterday played out
Which
to
one?
full TP. It played out at 8:30 today. Move one on gold.
Oh, yeah. It did. You know what I'm struggling with? Like, bro, I don't know. Gold, it's up only, man. And
Yeah,
I really struggle
it's
with
awkward to
longing
trade it.
stuff like this. If you're getting good like with following the trend, I feel like you can make so much money with gold.
Nah, I feel like with gold you just need to trade 1 minute ranges
Yeah, I agree with that.
with just higher contract size.
I agree with that. I do think you
Because
have to trade
otherwise it's
1
gonna
minute
be
ranges.
difficult to shoot for lower on shorts. It will be easy to shoot for higher on longs, but no.
Yeah, but I'm bad at longing when it's just going up, man.
I would just
Like-
Yeah,
just
because
long
you have no
demand,
idea
like,
where
big
it's gonna
demand
stop.
zones. just forget.
Yeah,
the
exactly.
price.
You know, when gold stops pumping, it does what it did this morning. It just fucking nukes in 2 candles.
One of these mornings, Dak, we're gonna catch a trade and just chill in the trade on live and chill.
Yeah.
I'm going to get a drink. I'll be right back.
You're good.
But
How much are you gonna try to trade today, Dak?
1 to 2 trades. Like one more trade. I'm gonna look for. I'm gonna trade more.
I really want a long. I want to find a long today.
Yeah, I wanna find a long on ES.
You already know what I'm trying to find a long on.
I'm really liking the 30-second time frame lately. I
bet
don't
you
know
do.
why, but when I enter in a trade, I just really like chilling on the 30-second to watch the candles form. 1 minute gives me anxiety, bro.
Yeah. I'm hoping we start to roll over pretty soon here. But honestly, I'm not surprised with the technical difficulties this morning, Dak. I literally got up out of bed, walked over to my computer, bro, got in the room with Alex, and I just started adding all the stuff to OBS, and then I just hit stream like right away because it was already so late. I was like,
Yeah.
I just didn't even add all the extra sources. Sorry, we got through it.
Lately, when I'm live trading, I will just keep drawing out the zones just because I can see them with my eyes.
Yeah.
I can't have 50 shit on my chart. Like, I can see the order blocks and the liquidity sweeps with my eyes. I don't need to mark them out.
Yeah. I just like having my main ones on there. Dude, if we caught a long all the way up to the top, that shit would be crazy, Dak.
We can't even catch along to the top. What are you talking about?
I know. Gonna have to close before.
Yeah.
That's fine. If I can get 2,900 on a trade, I'll be chilling. Oh. Whenever Alex gets back, we'll wrap up. So I gotta go soon. It'll be a shorter stream today.
Alright.
What was it? What did you just send? Do you want to go over what you just sent, Dak?
What they sent?
Oh no, it just said that you sent something. I guess that was a little bit ago. That was like 20 minutes ago. I'm tripping.
I was just sending that to show that ES still had the tiny gap. Just for confidence that we might go down again. There's still no volume. We need the New York Open to like make a nice move down if we're gonna catch the long.
Yeah. That's what we need.
Can you listen to my music? I have music in the back here. Is it audible from my mic?
No, I can't hear it. I can hear mine.
Okay, good. Because I saw my profile picture flickering on Discord and I was like, can they hear my music all this time?
Nah, I haven't heard it.
I'm gonna get fucking copyrighted.
Probably will already, anyways. But I'll fight it. I've got that screenshot.
Yo, I'm back.
What's up?
Yo.
I think we're probably just about to wrap it up, Alex.
Yeah,
It was a shorter stream. Kind of went over everything. You'll have to go back and clip you talking about that trade. That was fire.
I tried to clip it, but it doesn't let me clip more than like 60 seconds. So I think you'll have to do it for me.
Okay. I'll work on that later tonight. I'll send it to
Yeah.
you.
I could try and download the stream and clip it for you if you want.
Yeah, I do, because I want to post it.
Hell yeah.
Actually, I don't even need to download it. I can just find it. It's fine. I got it.
But yeah, market is not really moving right now. It's nothing you can really do. But we will have to like have some early in the morning trades so we can chill on live with the PNLs on the screen.
Yeah.
Especially when I hop on like futures with you guys. That would be cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, That's it for today. We'll be back tomorrow doing our thing. Trying to do it every day. So,
Hell yeah.
we'll see you guys tomorrow.
She ain't gon' title, gon' battle the plague. Calling me crazy, I get it. What you feel, I can tell that you skip it. Boosting your looks by the day, by the minute. Like I'm a runner, the more than I swear they be lying. Wondering why they be trying. The main ones that always be crying. Could wasting my time. No, I don't need a cosign. I tell you little boys that I'm fine. Let's get to the racks. Play an option quarterback, cause I'm rumbling through with the sacks and bring it right back. Hating on me is a fact, getting mad now. Look where we at. Oh. You cry, but you see me work. Ooh, no time, you wanna go lurk. Love what you doing, I think it's your turn. Lord, I be thinking my life is a burn. So many issues, I gotta go learn. Pressing you niggas, I think it's a perm. Back to the past, I don't wanna think. Critics go chop it up, thinking it's me. Look at me, gazing, she ain't gonna blink. Quarter, no telling what I pour is pink. I get that green, you be playing no link. Head above water, I can't never sink. Choosing a choice, never go back, I gotta deploy. She a little nutty like I'm enjoy. Clutching the Cali, that bitch ain't a toy. Ooh, back in the day, love a mission might not get your way. Come and get you, I'm stopping your way. Head of my word, I'ma do what I say. Niggas ain't nothing, they might get you paid. Crucial your pockets, I'm feeding you good. Go get you something, you looking too good. Gangsta little bitch, she fresh from the hood. Stacking my digits, I get every day. She ain't gon' title, gon' battle the plague. Calling me crazy, I get it. What you feel, I can tell that you skip it. Boosting your looks by the day, by the minute. Like I'm a runner, the more than I swear they be lying. Wondering why they be trying. The main ones that always be crying. Could wasting my time. No, I don't need a cosign. I tell you little boys that I'm fine. Let's get to the racks. Play an option quarterback, cause I'm rumbling through with the sacks and bring it right back. Hating on me is a fact, getting mad now. Look where we at.